I'd like to invite Mr. Prajit Balasubramaniam to speak a few words.
Members of the head table, key partners and sponsors, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and a warm welcome. Venture Engine is aimed at catering a platform for Sri Lankan entrepreneurs to accelerate their business to the next level. The goal of this program is to work with Sri Lankan entrepreneurs and enable them to take their businesses to the next level via access to potential investors and development of stronger business plans. Post-war, May 2009 saw positive changes to the development. With the war over, we saw good growth rates of up to 8% in 2010 and 2011. According to Central Bank of Sri Lanka, the economy is expected to grow between 8.5 to 9% in 2012, which is ahead of most other South Asian region countries, and inflation would be kept in the mid-single digits. Nationalistic policies emphasized on rural economy and development of SMEs. There's a lot of weight on poverty relief, focusing on lowering income disparity. As per the Tourist Board forecast, tourist arrivals to increase from 850,000 last year to 2.5 million by 2016. Ministry of Economic Development announced plans to double Sri Lanka's hotel rooms capacity to 45,000 rooms by 2016. According to a KPMG report, increased foreign investment interest in prime blocks of commercial land in Colombo, acquisition and resale of leisure properties by private investors, and a general increase in confidence levels of household investors has fueled the development of Sri Lanka's property market during the past 24 months. Recent growth trends have shown increasing activity in the construction industry, housing, property sales, and apartment projects. The city's landscape is currently in a state of transition, with the government pursuing a policy of transformation that will beautify the capital's landscape. Large projects in the pipeline should further boost investment in 2012. According to a Nielsen research, Sri Lanka would record rapid growth in 2012, with consumers in rural areas coming to the forefront of the economic activity. There is increasing consumer spending. Consumers were aggressively moving towards lifestyle products that have now become essentials and engaging in impulse buying. The other key points highlighted by Nielsen include the large-scale buying of vehicles, with over 50% of Sri Lankan households owning at least one vehicle in Sri Lanka. As per the Sri Lankan Information Technology forecast, IT market is supposed to double in the next 5 years to 800 million. Sri Lanka has immense potential in the education sector, from hairdressing, tourism and hospitality to IT BPO. According to the University Grants Commission, only 18% of all students that apply graduate from the local public universities, which means 82% do not have this privilege. So with the economy expected to grow, the time is now, as there is an opportunity to invest in Sri Lanka through this venture engine. So how does the venture engine work? An open call will be made today for entrepreneurs to submit their business plans and details on any current operations. The closing date for this will be 7th of May. Please take note of this date. The closing date for entries of business plan will be 7th of May. These plans will then be evaluated by an expert team of investors. Top 10 entrepreneurs will be invited to a workshop where they will work directly with the investor panel to fine-tune their business plans. These 10 will present at round 1 presentations on the 29th of May 2012, where we will select the top 5 entrepreneurs for the final round, which will be held on the 20th of June 2012. So the finale of this will be on the 20th of June 2012. From the investor panel, what do we look for in a good business plan? Obviously a good business plan, uniqueness of product or services offered, marketability of product or services offered, a good financial forecast. In addition, we'll also be looking for entrepreneurs' willingness to take risk, marketing negotiations and selling skills, financial know-how, self-motivation, positive attitude. What do the participants get out of this? They'll get significant media exposure. They'll also have access to mentoring on strategic, organizational, and operational issues. The cash prize is an insignificant amount in the sense from the overall picture. If you look at the overall picture of what the participants are going to get, cash prize will be a very insignificant amount. More than the cash prize, I think the 10 top entrepreneurs will have access to the business angels around the world, or in India and Sri Lanka. What is the future? While 2012 event is a starting point, the goal is to host this as an annual event. It is expected that the profile of the event will grow, attracting more entrepreneurs and investors. We plan to categorize this in the future by industries so that it will create more opportunities for entrepreneurs in Sri Lanka. We created Blue Ocean Ventures to provide mentorship and seed funding to entrepreneurs who want to launch and accelerate their businesses and build market-leading local and global businesses from Sri Lanka. We are very excited today about partnering with the Indian Angel Network to launch the Venture Engine, an innovative new platform that will help to turbocharge the startup ecosystem in Sri Lanka. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our platinum sponsors, Dialogue and Expo Lanka. Last but not least, I would also like to thank the media, members of the media who are here. For more information on Venture Engine, you could visit our site on www.ventureengine.lk. Thank you.